Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 1st, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So guess what? Tesla up $8.19. That's 4.73%. Closed at 181.41. And post-market, we are up by $3.18. The Federal Reserve Open Committee released their interest rate adjustment. And let's read this together. The committee seeks to achieve maximum employment and inflation at the rate of 2% over the long run. In support of these goals, the committee decided to raise the target range for the federal funds rate from 4.5 to 4.75. The committee anticipates that ongoing increases in the target range will be appropriate in order to attain a stance of monetary policy that is sufficiently restrictive to return inflation to 2% over time. In determining the extent of future increases in the target range, the committee will take into account the cumulative tightening of monetary policy, the lag, and a bunch of other information, blah, 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 blah. Basically, the interest rates only went up by 0.25%. This was expected. This is not a surprise. It's still an increase in the interest rates, but people were fearful that it could be more than 0.25. It could have been 0.5 and more. That would have hurt the stock market a little bit more, but 0.25 is just calming everybody down. And, the stock market is a lot about psychology and everything. So people, because of this, are less fearful and things can now continue to go up. So let's look at our chart right here. So we have a nice green candle today. We just crossed this second channel resistance, so this should be green. Not only are we maintaining ourselves above this support line right here, well, we are breaking quite often this resistance line, which is now becoming support. So in terms of the velocity of the stock, this is really nice to see this. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. The first hour of the day was pretty much undecided. Second hour, third hour, fourth hour. Then fourth hour, we started to have a little bit of hope. But from 2:30 to 3:30, we had this big green candle and we are having a little bit of a pullback right here on the last hour. We have regained the stochastic quite high on the 1 hour chart. We are at 88. We have our RSI, which is back in the overbought zone. We have a MACD crossover and the MI is great. Everything was fixed on the 1 hour chart concerning our indicators. If we come back to the daily chart, stochastic at 97. Yesterday we had it at 90. We have RSI at 69.27, very close to 70, which would indicate an overbought region. And for MACD, we just got the red line over 0. So now we officially have all of our indicators that are fully bullish. So now I can put this last green thumb up. This is very nice to see this. And we have the MI that is still green. So let's just enjoy this. Let's just enjoy this and let's rejoice because we have de-risked Tesla right here, got stochastic over 60. This was the time to buy and maybe on the Friday right here. And now we are enjoying some profits. Let's ride this pony until we get a congestion zone. And then if we get a break of support, then we can decide to sell. I don't know where this is going to be. It could be at 240 something. It could be higher. It could be sooner. I don't know. We are not trading numbers. We are trading patterns. That's it. We are trading patterns. So right now, we are in this nice bullish pattern. Let's just ride this baby until it falls off the wagon. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX had a big drop, so we are down 1.55 with the VIX. That's 7.99%. Closed at 1786. So now we are officially back into our downward channel. We want the VIX to go down because it indicates the fear in the stock market. And when there's less fear in the stock market, people invest in the stock market and the stock market go up. So we want the VIX to come down, and it has done so dramatically today. So this is fantastic. Let's hope that it comes back down to 1658. This is the next support that is in play. Let's look at Dow Jones. So green candle for Dow Jones. This was a little bit more difficult for Dow Jones than for Tesla. Went down, went up, and it stabilized pretty much even Steven at 0.02% up. That's not a lot. Let's look at the S&P 500. S&P 500 just continued. Look at this here. So we had been stuck on SPX at 40.73, and we just broke that horizontal support. We have stochastic over 60. If you want to, this is a nice entry point. This is a nice entry point. We are not towards the bottom of the bullish channel, and this is where the top is. So we are basically midways, but we could be going up to this resistance, either fast or slow. And this would mean maybe 43 something. Nice move for SPX. And let's look at NASDAQ Composite. So nice strong move also for NASDAQ. We even broke our resistance at 11,674. So lots of force on NASDAQ, and I should do this. I should really draw this channel right here. This is a nice move. It's nice to see the stock market recover a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.